Your fingers feel like ice even when you are wrapped in a thick wool blanket. Your brain feels heavy and slow, as if your thoughts are struggling to move through a thick morning fog. You might find yourself gasping for breath after a short walk up the stairs or a quick trip to the mailbox. These are not just random signs of getting older. They are loud signals from your cardiovascular system. Your body is trying to tell you that the pipes are struggling to deliver exactly what your organs need to thrive. It is all about circulation. When your blood cannot get where it needs to go, every single aspect of your daily life starts to falter. This is where a specific cardiovascular support formula enters the conversation. It is not just another random bottle on a health store shelf. This formula targets the very mechanics of how your heart and vessels interact. The real secret lies in the production of nitric oxide. This is a tiny molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and widen. When they relax, they open up. This allows oxygen and vital nutrients to flood back into every corner of your system. Think about the warmth finally returning to your hands and feet. Think about that mental fog finally lifting so you can focus on your work or your family again. The ingredients inside this blend are purposeful. You have beetroot extract, which is a total powerhouse for that nitric oxide production. Then you have a duo of important amino acids that work like a team to keep those arterial pathways clear and flexible. Most people overlook the historical importance of hawthorn berry, but it has been used for generations to help with cardiac strength and overall balance. It gives your heart that extra bit of support it needs to pump efficiently, without overexerting itself. Then there is the mental side of things. Heart health issues often bring a heavy load of anxiety. You start worrying every time you feel a little flutter or a spike in your pressure. That is why the formula includes components to help you stay calm and focused without making you feel drowsy. It is all about achieving that quiet sense of confidence in your own body. You also get the long-term benefits of black garlic and specialized enzymes that function like cellular fuel. They help manage your cholesterol levels and keep your heart cells shielded from the constant wear and tear of oxidative stress. This process is a marathon rather than a sprint. You cannot just take a single dose and expect a total transformation. You need to give your body at least 3 to 6 months to really reset and find its natural rhythm. It takes time to rebuild that internal balance. You also have to be very careful about where you find this supplement. There are so many knockoffs out there that look real but contain none of the actual benefits. You have to go straight to the official source to ensure you are getting the genuine formula. The best part is the safety net provided by the makers. If you try it and do not feel that surge of energy or that crisp mental clarity, you can simply get your money back. There is no reason to keep living with that constant cloud of worry about your blood pressure. You deserve to feel vibrant and steady every single day. Take the step to support your heart right now. It is the engine that keeps your whole life moving. It is time to stop guessing and start giving your heart the specific nutrients it has been craving for years.